BMW X3 is all new for 2025 and we think it is one of the best looking design from the brand in recent year. BMW has unveiled the 4th generation BMW X3. The new front grille and interior design are very interesting. Many people say BMW X3 design is ugly, but it has some unique design. Personally love this new generation BMW X3, sporting looking new styling. In design, no sharp creases and cut, and this generation finally looks complete, and especially when compared to the first and second generation model that look very basic. It has bolder look with new technology, 56-mile plug-in hybrid range. BMW X3 features overhaul design, fresh interior with upholstery made from recycled material, mild hybrid system and additional standard feature. In US and Europe, it will be launched by Q4 of 2024. Launch for other markets like India could be take place in early 2025.